Everybody, I'll give it up
Hey!
for I gotta tell one story while you're standing. I don't talk this much normally, but today was really weird. We played at, well, it'll remain nameless, but we played at a radio station earlier this morning, and but what was so strange about it is we're from this town, Seneca, South Carolina, which is about nothing, you know what I mean? It's like, it's a tiny town in South Carolina, and we ran into the only other band that's actually from Seneca, South Carolina. And it's not weird that it's the only other band, it's just the weird thing is that the band is Jackal. You know who that is? They had a song, if you don't remember, when I was 14, they're playing somewhere around, I don't know where, but when I was 14 at the Waffle House, they had a song called the Lumberjack Song, and it was like the #1 thing on the jukebox. Yeah, it's sort of AC/DC-ish, but more redneck. And they had a song, and seriously, if you haven't seen it, they have a song where they play a chainsaw.
Yes.
Yeah. It's like a row, 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 row. If you haven't heard it, you have to. And it's absolutely classic. And then, what's the only thing that could top that possibility is the fact that tonight Serena Ryder is just randomly in town with us. And yeah, we had her on tour. I guess you're not really randomly in town.
It's not random whatsoever. But it sounds better in your story.
It's fate.
But it is fate. It's fate. It's random that I have a day off anywhere. The place that you guys are at. I'm from Canada, from Toronto.
Yeah.
Who would have thought?
We haven't seen. We toured together not that long ago, and we haven't seen each other since. And so this is awesome. And she came and sang this song live that we've tried to mimic a couple times with other artists, and it's really turned out terribly. And so the only one who could do it is Serena Ryder. This song is called "Stones Under Rushing Water."
Soul, but what? It's called Stones Under Rushing Water.
Why don't we dance anymore? I'm not okay with that. Why don't we laugh anymore? I'm not okay with that. Go by like stones on a rushing water, and we only know when it's gone. go by.